What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today in this video I'm going to be trying to make a nuking jet. Like, I already have the idea for how we're going to actually make a nuking jet. Like, it's pretty simple. Well, the nukes are. It's just I don't have the brightest idea of how we're actually gonna design the jet. So, yeah. I'm thinking of building it really small and really close to the ground, cause I thought that would be kind of cool. Like you would be really small and you'd hop into the jet. So yeah. So I think we're gonna start off by scaling this thing all the way down. Going forward to about there. And then, yeah, I honestly have no clue how we're going to do this. Cause oh my god, I stink at this, bro. I don't know how, oh, I think that might actually be pretty good. Like the little nose of the jet. I actually like how we made it like that, yeah. Okay, now we can go all the way back to 0.5. Nope. 0.5, yeah. Okay, so now I think what we can do is I was thinking something like this, or yeah, like that, yeah, definitely like this. Oh, that actually looks like really good like that. Yeah, I like that design. Like, the only problem would be how we would do the chair. Cause when you look at it, the chair is super big compared to the jet. But yeah, I honestly don't know how we're gonna manage to do yeah. I didn't even get, oh my god, bro. Try 0.2. Why do we always have to go to 0.1? Bro, okay, that is super weird, but I feel like that's not. Oh wait, no, it is. Okay. Okay, so there's that. So now I think, cause I wanted to do it so it would kind of be something like that. That actually looks very good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that looks super good. But then I think, like, yeah. But then I, like, don't know how to do the rest. I'm changing my move to 0.5. I think I'd have to go with like 0.2 maybe for it, and then do something like that. Okay, like this thing is like already like so messed up. Okay, actually that looks really good. I didn't think it would actually look that good. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the rotate. Okay, I just wanna make sure that I get this. Yeah, okay. So I think you're gonna go right there. Okay, let's do 9. So, hang on, just to be sure. Scale this through. Shoot. Got myself stuck. So that way, it'll look something like that, I guess. That doesn't look bad. Now we really just have to like fill it in. This is turning out to look like way better. Like I had an image in my head. I just didn't know how I was gonna like make it perfect like that. But now here it is. Pretty nice. Yeah, it looks pretty good. The only problem is that like when you look under it, it looks super bad. So I kind of think if I do it like this. Oh, I didn't even like fill in the back. Totally did not fill in the back. So, I'm just gonna explain how to do the nukes on this. they're actually very simple to me. Like, I don't really think it'll take that long. Although, just because of how I built it so low to the ground, it's actually going to take super long. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save, and then I'm going to try to do something. So right here, I'm going to I want to try to get this up into the air so that I can actually do the nukes. They're really simple to do, but honestly, I built this so close to the ground, I'm not gonna be able to do them, which really sucks, because they're you just have to get used to the nukes, really. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Select all, on anchor. Oh shoot. No, don't do that, don't on anchor all, that's not what I should do. Okay, so now I have to rebuild the whole thing again. Yeah, if I had unanchored all, I would have had to rebuild the entire thing, pretty much. Oh wait, I actually think I know how to do this. So, just for now, I'm going to not do that. But I'm going to attach a jet to this. Shoot, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, sit in the chair, okay, good. I'm going to unanchor all. It's kind of this is how you duplicate stuff, but I'm not using it to duplicate. Okay, so we are going to go chill in this stage. Load in the my stuff slot. Okay, so yeah, it's actually right there, which is really good. So technically it's all duplicated, but alright, so what I'm gonna do, no, actually, let me click select all, because okay, you know what, I'm not going to, I'm only going to anchor the jet. Oh shoot, I did not think that through, so dumb. Well, I suck at this, honestly. I don't know why I suck so bad in build mode. It's annoying. So, I'm trying to think of a way I can still make this a nuking jet, because... Oh, actually, I think I can really just do this. Otherwise, I'm so crappy at this that I don't even know why I'm making build a boat videos, because I'm so crappy at build a boat. Okay. We are going to select everything here. If only I had more build slots, then this could have could be so much easier. This. That. Okay, got that one. Alright, we are going to unanchor those. Oh wait, is this anchored? Yeah, that's anchored. We can't have that anchored. Are these anchored? No. Wait, what is still anchored here? Back part. Thought I legit unanchored all. Oh wait, is it that? Yeah, it's that. It's not that, even though that was still unanchored. What is it, bro? Like... It's like... Okay, well that is super weird. Well, what is not unanchored? Oh my god, bro. There we go. So now, if I just hop in this thing. Oh, I need that one too, I guess. Yeah, I guess I need it. Oh shoot, did I build? Oh wait, no, that shouldn't be a problem. No, go back up. Okay, you know, we're just gonna select this seat here. Oh shoot. Bro, I hate that I make these videos so long. It's so dumb, bro. Okay, no, that's not a good position. Okay, that scene, yeah, I think that might be good enough. It's good enough, that matters. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna place the... That was weird. Okay. First you need match rotation, actually. Well, if you're building like me, otherwise, then you don't. So you need 2 glue blocks, and then just place as many dynamite as you want. I'm only gonna place 1 just because I don't wanna make this any longer than it should actually be. So yeah, take the dynamite, and I think this way makes it look cooler. Yeah, so place it like that, and then you're almost done, because you still gotta build this part on the back. Oh shoot, I forgot this was unanchored. I should probably anchor this. Oh wait, yeah, that's what I thought. Like I thought I was like I didn't know why that was going so wrong in the back. You should probably also scale it into it. And then boom, you're done. I mean, that was way faster than some of the other videos. Yeah, so honestly, I'm just gonna like turn these off. And yeah, okay, so now what I'm gonna do, just because like I suck at loading this back in, bro. Bro, why is it doing that? I have no clue why it's actually doing that. Like, legit no clue at all. I'm gonna place these. Oh wait, I think those might have already been unanchored, but I don't really care, to be honest with you. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm probably just not gonna replace them because they were already unanchored. Okay, so this I know was anchored. This I know was anchored. Okay, so yeah, that was pretty much it. That was actually anchored. Now what you're gonna do, like the final step, really you're just gonna place a jet. Like, yeah, like right there. Now I can save. Okay, so yeah, that was anchored. So really all you now gotta do is just unanchor these two if you built it the same exact way. Oh shoot. Yeah, we should probably fix that actually. Yeah, you're gonna wanna change the bombs, the nukes. Yeah. They're gonna change those too. Oh wait, no, actually you just need this. Choose that one, that one. Okay, unbind them. Now you're going to rebind them, so I'm just gonna do Q. I'm just gonna do Q actually. Yeah, just Q. I'm gonna do Q. Okay, so now we can finally test out the jet. Bro. Oh I totally forgot that you're gonna wanna click that or just rebind the jet. So that way, like, when you wanna do something like this. How is that still attached, bro? Well, that was like really crappy, bro. Honestly, I didn't think it was gonna. How did it do that? Like, bro, how is that possible? I don't even see how that's supposed to happen. Like, it just flew with the jet. That was like legit crap. And I don't even know why I'm still recording. Honestly, I just want to test this out. To show you guys that it actually... What did I just do wrong? What the heck did I just... Bro. Okay, well, I'm gonna
Finally.
go there, so.